apparently I'm not a good vlogger because I'm not recording at good times. Oh my god! No matter what's happening, I just can't be well understood. Okay, maybe this was not a good time to vlog. I'll try again tomorrow. Bye. Oh wait, why am I wearing sunglasses inside? So we're getting all the beverages for the weekend at Total Wine. Oh yeah, they do weddings.
It's $19.99.
I'll come back in 5 years. Tastings. Yeah. Oh wait, we know exactly what we want. I don't really know what else to do here. All right, we got the drinks for the weekend. We have our black cherry, whatever this is, whatever that is, our rum, our pina colada little packages, and of course our mango white claws. Ain't no laws when you're drinking claws. Guys, I have to tell you about my new movement. You know how you ice people and like you hide it around the house, and then when they find it, they have to like go on one knee and chug it. I mean, it's still in the beta phase, so there may or may not be some changes with this movement. But as of right now, so we're gonna still hide these white claws around the house and whatnot. But once you find them, you're gonna have to immediately yell, "Claude," or something. Okay. All right, I'll tell you my movement later. All right, now that we're super basic and have our Starbucks, now I can explain the movement. You still hide the claws around the house, but when you find it, you have to yell something. No, we have to chug. I know, well, chug as fast as you can. Okay, so this was my idea. So you know how there's like a wave on the White Claw thing? So someone has to like be your surfer and pour the drink in your mouth while you're laying down as a surfboard.
Maybe like on the boat I'll do it, but like
not on my carpet.
We just won't do that. We'll do the sprawling thing that Mandel said. So you just sprawl on the floor and apparently just chug it. Okay, but we'll see if this works. You guys are the first to see the beta. It's gonna freaking work, Kelly. Gosh, I need more optimistic people in my life. Drink your coffee.
deliver legit with
Jimmy John's. Jimmy John's is like our favorite sandwich place. We got our Jimmy John's.
It was so cold in there. I liked the air conditioning.
The fuck did I do it? MGM got $13.
What?
MGM.
I don't know, I found this in my bag and Rachel, it was when you were with me. We didn't drive.
I told you need to record at better times yourself.
Kelly made me do the map. Hey.
Why are we arguing about me doing the map thing?
Because you made me do it!
Do you want to... hate you! I hate you! I hate you!
I don't have a real camera!
I hate this so much.
Oh my gosh, someone buy me a camera and I'll be a better vlogger.
No.
I found my glasses.
Oh god. Vlogging just a time.
Myself thumbnail.
That was so fun!
Wait, what is it? No, I don't like this anymore.
I'm shaking that thing. I had a dream that I was shaving with like a really weird razor. It was like a razor that was like long like this, and the blades were in the middle.
Really odd.
I know, and I was like taking so long to shave, and like my hair in my dream.
My god, a Rizal.
It's so long.
Leg hair.
I know, but in my dream it was longer. And
oh my god,
it was like, this is
so
honestly
bad.
Not new. Like I just don't like since like 7th grade, I just always.
Oh my god.
I don't know the last time I shaved. Probably 4th of July. I wish my tripod was like a little bit smaller so that it could fit up here.
Oh my gosh. I am so...
You know what? No one, you guys, it's fine. We'll see you at the lake. Is it lame that I'm drinking from a red cup instead of just the can?
A little, yeah.
Mono, say a letter.
I'm just gonna go on a little run. I have so much energy. I was like laying in bed all day. Okay, I'm doing little high knees here. Here I go. Here I go. Oh shoot, my shirt's coming down. Okay, I've been running for like 30 seconds now. And I'm so tired. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I actually really do want to go on a run. On our way to the lake! Woo!
not like
Where the
that.
frick did that come from? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Guys. So good news, we only hit rocks twice. Thanks to this guy.
Hi YouTube.
Yeah, so the first time we hit the boat because Matt was controlling it. The second time it was because I had to...
What just happened?
I literally don't know what happened. The second time...
That was funny.
Okay. The second time we hit the rock was because I was trying to get on and it took too long.
I'll tell him again. I'll be like,
Broken. So now it's cold.
yeah, it's cool.
It's freaking cold. And now we didn't even want to go to the lake. So now that we're off the boat, we're like soaking, well, not soaking wet as much anymore, but Manos went to go get 5 floaties, but it's been so long. Like the sun will come out literally for like 30 seconds.
Kelly.
And then she went to go help him. So we basically found a spot. There's like no parking at this lake, and we found a spot. We sat in it, and then we called him, and he was like, "No, I'll just stay at my really far parking spot and not come."
When we were holding a parking spot.
Yeah, and I said that. I was like, we were literally
in the spot,
sitting in it.
Had this
and
pink bag up, and people were just driving by.
Yeah,
they
people
weren't trying to argue.
yeah.
I would have argued.
I want to just keep vlogging. New thumbnail.
Screenshot.
Guys, my stomach really doing a freaking sea lion in the boat.
Can
and
we
I
see
just
it?
wasn't a sea lion. It's just all red.
Oh, it was
Not
way
bad.
redder.
Oh, yeah,
it was way
red.
redder earlier. So we're still waiting. Literally, they're still not back yet. By this point, they could have just driven back, taken the spot that we had reserved for him. He goofed up. What a goofster.
upside down bubble.
Oh my
You're
god.
not supposed to put aloe vera on while you're in the sun.
So funny, I wish.
That's supposed to be after. Castle. Ashley, we're trying to do our reality show. Okay, Ash, you're in it. Frick. Okay, do something if you're gonna be in it. Just like my being is not attractive. Maybe I should remove this men's shirt. And maybe I'll be cuter. I'll look more feminine.
Be more pretty.
But look, I'm just natural beauty.
Your eyelashes are completely almost out on the side. Like,
Ow. Ow.
One teacher
Ow.
in high school, he was a blonde.
See, do I look a little bit better?
I guess I can.
All right, so we're about to cheers to a really fun weekend.
Here's some friends and here's songs for YouTube. Here's those vlog.
that's good.
Wait.
Hello, fellow
Hi, fellow YouTubers.
Welcome to the vlog. I hope some of you have made it this far.
I hope you enjoyed
because
us.
you have just won one free
Viewing
of our next vlog. Yes, inside. This is all so crazy. Everybody seems so famous. Where'd Kelly go? I don't know. Where is she? Where is she? I can't find her. No! Oh my gosh, I found Kelly! Get ready for ninja. You somersault, ready?
Oh my god.
Yes! This is it! That was it! That was ninja! That was the ninja! This is ninja part 2. I don't know what's about to happen, but... Parkour! 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 Oh, under there. Yeah, Parkour! Parkour! Go! Oh, frick! What the hell? Oh, frick! It's Jewel! Oh, frick! Oh, frick! Parkour! Oh, frick! Oh! Oh! Now you see him, now you don't! Oh, frick! Oh! Oh! You gotta get the jewel and get out of here! Get the jewel! Get the jewel! Get the jewel! Get out! Get out! Parkour! This is it! This is it! It's a montage.
Oh shit. I hope that's on the vlog.